In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse the Power-Ups marketplace in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects, but did you know you can enhance its functionality even further? That's where Power-Ups come in. These add-ons allow you to customize your boards with features like calendars, reporting tools, automation, and much more. Whether you're managing a team, tracking tasks, or improving your productivity, Power-Ups can help you work smarter. So let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of exploring the Power-Ups marketplace in Trello. First, open your browser and go to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. From there, you'll be prompted to select your preferred sign-in method. You can log in using your email, Google account, or Microsoft account. Choose the option that works best for you. Next, enter your email address and click Continue. If you're logging in with email, you'll also need to enter your password. Once that's done, click the Login button and you'll gain access to your Trello workspace. Once you're logged in, navigate to either your home view or your list of boards. From there, select the specific board where you'd like to explore Power-Ups. It's important to make sure this board is part of the correct workspace where you plan to use the Power-Up. Now look for the Power-Ups option at the top of the board. It's represented by a small rocket icon. Click on the rocket icon to open the Power-Ups panel, which is essentially your gateway to the marketplace. If you don't see the rocket icon right away, you may need to expand your window or open the menu to find it. Once the Power-Ups panel is open, you can start searching for the tools you need. If you already have a specific Power-Up in mind, use the search bar and type in keywords like calendar, forms, or reporting to find what you're looking for. Alternatively, if you're not sure what you need yet, you can browse by category. Categories include options like analytics and reporting, automation, board utilities, communication, or developer tools. This is a great way to explore and discover new features that might fit your workflow. When you find a Power-Up that interests you, click on its details to learn more about it. This will give you a breakdown of its features, the types of Trello plans it supports, pricing information, and any permissions it requires. Take your time to review this information thoroughly. Check compatibility notes, ratings, and support details to ensure the Power-Up meets your needs. This will help you avoid any surprises and make sure the tool aligns with your goals. Additionally, you'll want to verify your Trello plan's limits, as there's a cap on how many Power-Ups you can enable per board based on your subscription level. Finally, if you're unable to access a particular Power-Up or find that it's restricted for your plan, contact your admin for assistance. They may be able to adjust permissions or upgrade your plan to give you access to the tools you need. And that's it. You now know how to browse the Power-Ups marketplace in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.